Hello children, I'm going to read you the story of the Gingerbread Man, and it's retold by Alan MacDonald. The Gingerbread Man. One morning a baker said to his wife, "Today I'm going to bake a gingerbread man, and he'd look just right in our shop window." So the baker made the gingerbread man and put him in the oven. But before long they heard a noise. A little voice began to shout, "Open the door! Let me out! Let me out!" As soon as the baker opened the oven door, the gingerbread man jumped down to the floor and ran right outside the shop. "I'm off!" The baker and his wife chased him down the street, shouting, "Come back here, little ginger feet!" But the gingerbread man just ran and ran, singing, "Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." And people were saying, "Look at that." He hadn't gone far when a hungry boy joined the chase, calling, "Come back here, little ginger face." But the gingerbread man just ran and ran, singing, "Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." "Get him," said the baker's wife. "Can't catch me." He next passed a hungry cow who said, "Come back here, little gingerbread head." But the gingerbread man just ran and ran, singing, "Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." "How do you do?" It wasn't long before he met a hungry horse. "Nay, nay, come back here, little ginger horse." But the gingerbread man just ran and ran, singing, "Nay, run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." Behind him chased the horse, the cow, the boy, the baker, and his wife. "Come back." "Not likely," said the gingerbread man. In the woods hid a hungry fox. He called, "What's the hurry, little ginger socks?" But the gingerbread man just ran and ran, singing, "Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." "Let's have a chat." "No time for that." He was just thinking how clever he was when he came to a wide, wide river, and the gingerbread man stopped. Oh dear. He needed to think, because he says, "I can't swim." Up crept the fox and said with a wink, "Jump on my tail. I'll take you across." The gingerbread man thanked the sly fox, and he jumped on his bushy tail. The fish came up and said, "Take care, take care." The fox started to swim across the wide, wide river. Very soon he said, "Little gingerbread man, you're too heavy for my tail. Why not jump on my red, red back?" "Faster, Foxy, faster." So the gingerbread man jumped onto the fox's back. The fish was saying in the river, "Look out, look out." But soon the fox said, "Little gingerbread man, you're too heavy for my back. Why not hop onto my shiny black nose?" The fish was saying, "Oh no." So the gingerbread man hopped onto the fox's nose. Just as they came near to the bank, the fox tossed his head back, and with a flick of his neck, he tossed the gingerbread man up, 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 up in the air. Then the gingerbread man fell into the fox's gaping mouth. No, and that was the end of the Gingerbread Man. With a sly smile, the fox trotted home, singing, "Run, run as fast as you can, but I caught you, little Gingerbread Man." Good night.